तो आज हम सीखेंगे डेली रूटीन के बारे में। हाउ टू टॉक अबाउट डेली रूटीन इन इंग्लिश। Buddy, I find it very hard to wake up in the morning. I used to feel the same before. Now everything has changed. Really? What did you do to change? I made a good morning routine. What does routine mean? Routine means doing the same things at the same time every day. Routine means doing the same things at the same time every day. Okay, what does your morning routine look like? I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. So early. I find it hard to wake up before 9. It felt hard for me too at first, but you get used to it. What is the very first thing you do after waking up? First, I drink a glass of water. It refreshes the body. What does refresh mean? Refresh means to feel new energy and freshness. Refresh means to feel new energy and freshness. And what do you do after that? Then I do 10 minutes of exercise. Only 10 minutes? Will that make a difference? Yes, 10 minutes of exercise gives energy for the whole day. Yes, 10 minutes of exercise gives energy for the whole day. Do I need to go to gym for this? No, simple stretching at home is enough. No, simple stretching at home is enough. Or just take a 5-minute walk outside. Or just take a 5-minute walk outside. Does even 5 minutes of walking help? Yes, fresh air wakes up both your body and mind. Yes, fresh air wakes up your body and mind. What about breakfast? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I often skip my breakfast in the morning. That is wrong. Skipping breakfast makes your mind slow. That is wrong. Skipping breakfast makes your mind slow. Okay, what should I eat for breakfast? Fruits, oats, eggs, anything simple and healthy. Fruits, oats, eggs, anything simple and healthy. What about phone? I check my phone as soon as I wake up. This is the worst habit in the morning. What does habit mean? Habit means something you do every day without thinking. Habit means something you do every day without thinking. So how do I break the habit of checking phone? Keep your phone in another room at night. Keep your phone in another room at night. This will make your morning more productive. What does productive mean? Productive means doing more work in less time. Productive means doing more work in less time. Good. What else do you do in the morning? I read for 10 minutes. Any good book works. I read for 10 minutes. Any good book works. I do not feel like reading so early in the morning. Reading activates your mind for the day. Reading activates your mind for the day. What does activate mean? Activate means to switch on, get your mind ready for work. Activate means to switch on, get your mind ready for work. Is it also important to think in the morning? Yes, I think for 5 minutes. What must I do today? Yes, I think for 5 minutes. What must I do today? That is actually a very good idea. This is called planning your day. Why plan your day in the morning? Morning mind is fresh. Planning is easy at time. Morning mind is fresh. Planning is easy at that time. Any other tip for good morning? Yes, think of 3 good things you are happy about. Yes, think of 3 good things you are happy about. This sounds simple but feels very good inside. Exactly, it makes your whole day feel good. Exactly, it makes your whole day feel good. How much time does all this take in the morning? Only 45 minutes. Everyone can do this much. Only 45 minutes. Everyone can do this much. I thought it would take many hours to do all this. No, small habits make a very big difference. No, small habits make a very big difference. Is it necessary to do all this every single day? Yes, doing it daily builds discipline. What does discipline mean? Discipline means sticking to your plan every single day. Discipline means sticking to your plan every single day. Buddy, I feel like I can actually do this too. You can absolutely do it. Just start tomorrow morning. You can absolutely do it. Just start tomorrow morning. Tell us in the comments, what is your morning routine? Write in English, it will be great practice. Write in English, it will be great practice.